I'm with you, my love.
Hajiya Zainab, how was the market?
We thank God, sir.
Okay, give me 1 carton of bottled water, 1 carton of Indomie, and 2 cartons of sugar balls.
Sorry, sir. I don't have that all because my capital is running down.
So why are you waiting, Hajiya? Some MFB launched 1 million naira multi-level loan for traders.
How can I get some MFB multi-level loan to develop my business?
It's just simple as ABCD. Just subscription pay is 5,000 naira only, 0% interest loan. Do your 4 days consistent daily remittance of 15,000 naira at 3,000 naira daily and start accessing your 1 million naira in tranches of 50,000 naira till you complete your 1 million naira. If you are ready to go, you can subscribe your 5,000 naira through the following account details. Some global market ventures with account number 1699 75 1695. Access Bank PLC. For more information, you may contact +234 9162 294870. WhatsApp number +234 9161 994323. Facebook, some MFB. Instagram, some MFB-23. Twitter, @some global.
Thank you, sir, for good information about some MFB multi-level loan.
Join some MFB to develop your business now.
My love, everything is well. Your love, they make my heart to do yori yori.